Hello Internet, what's up my peeps? My robo mower, Magoo Jr, has a tendency to drive off this ledge and into the small creek below. And the reason for that is because there really isn't enough room for him to maneuver behind the rhododendron. So in this video I'm fixing that. Let's get to it.
I'm not sure how deep I need to go, but we'll see how far we can go. Before I dig any deeper, I want to check to see how much I need to dig. This is tough going with all the roots and the rocks and everything. So let's dig up the rhododendron before we continue. So when this was a small plant many years ago, I installed a simple wooden frame in order to keep then Mr. Magoo from running into it and damaging it. I think this is, oh, more ants, excellent, they're everywhere. I think this just screwed together, so we'll see if we can't get it out. There we go. Two down, two to go. This is why you screw things together instead of nailing them. Ta-da! As you can see, I was a clever boy and drove in some long nails and then hammered this into the ground. Digging here reminds me of a sepultura song. Roots, bloody roots. I'm pretty sure that this is not what they meant. hör ni.
As you can see, the rhododendron is doing just fine. I need to water the grass though, it's been pretty dry since I made this fix. Magoo is doing just fine as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful, interesting, entertaining, or all of the above. Please stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!